Hey guys, it's Victor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the reminder bot for your Discord server. Essentially, it allows you to set reminders on your Discord server to remind yourself or other members of your server about anything that you'd like. It also has advanced options so that you can customize them with embeds and when using their dashboard. So you're going to come to this top link in the description and click Add to your server. Make sure it's a server you have admin perms on and manager permissions on. And you just want to go through all these right here and then add it to the captcha. You can now close out of this and open Discord. As you can see, the reminder bot is in our server. So first I'm going to show you the most basic feature, which is just setting a reminder. So the way you do this is /remind, and then the amount of time in hours that you want it to be reminded in. So for example, if you say 10, it'll be in 10 hours. You can also say 10:01:01, and it'll be 10 minutes, 10 hours, 1 minute, and 1 second. So you need to remind yourself to turn in homework that's due in 12 hours or 10 hours or something. And you just say at yourself to, because you can at yourself or anyone else, turn in your homework. And you can also do it in a specific channel. By default, it will do it in the channel that you are in. However, if you just write the name of another channel, it will do it in that channel. And now we have a reminder set in 10 hours. You can also edit reminders right here, and it will take you to the dashboard. And I'll show you some of the features of the dashboard when we do that. So as you can see, when you open up the dashboard, you just have to click on your server and then reminders. You can also go to settings if you want to change other things in here. However, I'm not going to go through those today. We're going to go to reminders, and we can see our reminder message right here. So this is my ID, and it @s me, and it will @ me at a specific time, which for me is going to be May 20th at 3:01 a.m. So 1 minute and 1 second. So that was 10 hours from when I did it. So inside of here, you can edit the time or the channel or anything like that, or edit the message that you want the reminder in. You can also enable text-to-speech right here if you want the message read out loud to you. Say you were really distracted and we're not going to remember your homework. Or you can even create an embed. So here, this is going to be the embed color, which is going to be the color on the side of the embed. So I will just select any, like a red color here. The title, this will be the title of the embed in larger font than the rest of it. So homework due. And then this is the description. Let's say you want to be more detailed. And you can add in images, thumbnails, footers, and all that like you can typically do with embeds. You can also add an attachment with it. So that was how you add an embed with the dashboard with the reminder bot. So now we updated our message. And as you can see, if we go to our reminders, our message right here, and then we click edit message, you can see that it saved everything we did there. So now at 3 a.m., I'm going to get that reminder. I'm actually going to turn off text-to-speech because I don't want to get that at 3 a.m. But as you can see, we're free to do that and update our messages. Now this was the reminder bot. If this video helped you out and worked for you, make sure to like and subscribe. If you want more features of the reminder bot, make sure to let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.